Hello there! Tokyo in midsummer is so hot that even the building melts. If you can choose the time of year, you might as well avoid July to August. Tokyo is always busy, but especially around mid-August the crowds peak too. This is the Tokyo Tower. It's one of the well-known symbols of Tokyo. Even after the Tokyo Sky Tree was built in 2012, it continued to serve partially as a radio tower. And it's still the second tallest structure in Japan after the Sky Tree. Mount Fuji can be seen from the observation floor on a clear day. This is Zojoji, which is a famous temple with a history of over 600 years. It's very close to Tokyo Tower, so you can go sightseeing at the same time. Alright, today I'm gonna stay at a hotel called henn-na Hotel Hamamatsucho. I think it's about a 10-minute walk from here. It's really hot anyway, so I walk around looking for shade as much as possible. And I really need something to drink. That is a subway station, Daimon Station. JR Hamamatsucho Station and Daimon Station are almost in the same place. The center of Tokyo has various train lines and stations here and there. The hotel is a 1-minute walk from here, Hamamatsucho Station. It's a very convenient location. This time I walked from Tokyo Tower. It took about 20 minutes. There are lots of stores and restaurants in the area. Well, let's get going after shopping at 7-Eleven. I've arrived at henn-na Hotel Hamamatsucho. It is a fine building. Henn-na Hotel means strange hotel. The front desk is on the first floor. It looks normal at first glance. But when you look at it closely, it's a bit strange. They are not human, but they are robots. They speak something from time to time, but they won't respond to our talking. The check-in procedure is done through the touch screen. I have entered the necessary information in advance, so I can check in just by holding up this QR code. I was able to check in 10 seconds. There are some capsule toy machines here. They offer complimentary amenities here. Take what you need with you. There's a ramen restaurant here. It's closed now. I got a cotton swab, a body scrub towel, and a nightgown. All gowns are the same size, by the way. My room is on the 13th floor. I reserved a room called Tower View Single Room. The price was 10,800 yen for the day. It looks compact, but you have some space under the bed where you can put a suitcase. Considering that it's in the center of Tokyo, it's spacious enough. Also, it's reasonable. First, let's check out the tower view. It's fantastic. We can see Tokyo Tower right in front of us. We can see it only the upper floors from the 11th to 14th floor. I have a fridge here. I'm now putting what I got into it. There was a trash can here. And I'll change into slippers. Comfortable. I have a shoe horn. There's a mirror. There are 2 hangers on the rail. I'll hang that gown. The gown looks like this. It has a hotel logo on it. There's a safe here. put your precious things here, now that no one can steal my body scrub towel. There's a box of tissue here. The pillow is from a brand called Lofty. Is it a famous brand?
I have an e-kettle, a mug, and a pack of green tea.
This is my workspace today. I have enough space for my laptop here. This is a disinfectant spray. Let me try it somewhat. It has no smell. Of course, they offer free Wi-Fi. This is the AC control. The room temperature has been comfortable since coming. This is the TV remote control. The TV's here. It's a big screen. There's a pretty chair, an outlet, and a USB port. I'll try to turn on the desk light. It looks nice. Looks like you can order delivery pizza in this room. Checkout time is 11 o'clock. That ramen restaurant on the first floor serves breakfast. It is 1,300 yen. The breakfast menu has no ramen. The bed is large enough for a single room. I like the firmness of the bed. The pillow looks kind of nice. There are power outlets and USB ports here as well. You can put your smartphone here. You can do it here too. This is the entrance. This is the room light. The bedside light has adjustable brightness. This is an LG styler, a machine that sterilizes and dries clothes. The drain tank is to be emptied and the water tank is to be filled with water. It is already filled with water. Use this to crease your slacks. This is a bathroom. Looks good. This is a total washlet toilet. A washstand is here. It has enough room and is useful. This soap is for hand, face, and shaving. There is a bathtub. This is what the shower looks like. Shampoo, conditioner, and body soap here. We have hand towels and bath towels. And a hair dryer, a cup, and a toothbrush. It's a Panasonic hair dryer. There is a cord for drying clothes here. It's very hot outside, but I will go out for a bit because a historic garden is just around the corner. Hamamatsucho station is right there. This is the Kyu-Shiba-Rikyu Garden. It costs 150 yen to enter. Apparently, this man-made garden has been around for about 350 years. It was during the Edo period when samurai still ruled Japan. This place was made by reclaiming land from the sea at that time. This was built so that seawater got from here. Now it's not filled with seawater. Artificial ponds, islands, bridges, mountains, and everything have their own meanings. For example, that bridge is modeled after the West Lake in China. It seems that West Lake was a dream place for people in the Edo period. In this garden, various flowers bloom depending on the season. On this day, Sarusberi flowers were blooming beautifully. This garden closes at 5 p.m. It'll be soon. The sound of putting wind chimes was very cool. I came back to the hotel. Nanami, the ramen restaurant on the first floor, is closed now. Looks like it'll be open from 6 p.m. in the evening. There are multi-purpose toilets and a laundry room too on the first floor. The laundry room is here. It is also a vending machine. Laundry is 500 yen per time and detergent is automatically added. Drying is 200 yen for 20 minutes. You can get ice here for free. Luggage storage lockers are located on the second floor. Guests can use them free of charge. Check-in time 3 p.m. but if you arrive before that, you can leave your luggage here. There's also a shared microwave here. We need a room key to access each guest room floor. I'm home. The sun is gradually coming down. A lot for YouTube for a while. The sun is gonna set soon. I'll go eat something. I came to Nanami ramen restaurant at the first floor. It was 10 steps from my room. Itadakimasu. I had a ramen, soy sauce flavor. Pork is the most common for ramen, but this one is made of chicken. It's good. This is Naruto. It was a very good ramen. ごちそうさまでした。Now the sky is red like Tokyo Tower. The view from the room is really wonderful. I'll prepare the bath. The shower head looks like this. We can adjust its angle. I've got some sweets at 7-Eleven. This is a warabi mochi. It's a traditional Japanese confectionery made from starch. And I'm trying Starbucks tea lemonade. It's pretty good. This powder is kinako made from soybeans. It's often used to make kinds of Japanese sweets. Warabi mochi is very soft and chewy. Tokyo Tower is now lit up. The bath is ready. The temperature is just right. Now that it's time to use the complimentary body scrub towel. The water pressure in the shower was good enough, the temperature was stable and perfect. I will try the LG styler. I'll also try adding my hat. With the standard colors, it takes 1 hour and 28 minutes. You can also do only drying. This night view is a reason to choose this room. By the way, that building is a capsule hotel called 9 Hours. It could be another option for a budget stay. It's time to work again after making tea. I worked hard until I went to bed, so I made very good progress. That is also done. I'm not sure by appearances, but it probably sanitizes these things. Time to go to bed. I will go to work tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. It's another clear day today. I took a shower and freshened up. Then, I'll have a simple breakfast I bought at 7-Eleven yesterday. This is a blueberry yogurt drink. It is blueberry pulp in it. Good. This is a honey glazed donut. It's half coated with honey white chocolate. It is good quality and is tasty. I'll work on it for YouTube until I go to work. Now it's time to go. To check out, just put your room key in here. I was able to check out in 10 seconds.
Thank you for using our service. We are looking forward to seeing you again.
Thank you very much. See you soon.